Why, hello there. So, random Star Wars reference, random intro, but not so random video, because today I'm going to share with you why I'm doing a Tom Brady and coming out of retirement from trading. Well, I don't think you can say I retired because I didn't make it, but you get my point. So this is my game plan and thoughts to exactly how I'm going to be tackling trading for the foreseeable future, and I hope this helps some people that might be in a similar position. So rule number one is understanding opportunity cost and prioritize what is important, but also what is easy. Now, if you come into trading thinking that you have to be a day trader or you have to devote your entire day to learn how to trade, well, I would strongly reconsider this. Don't simply focus on trading. Manage your risk and diversify. Now, I'm sure we all understand, but trading can be extremely challenging, but it also has to be manageable. For me, trading part-time has been the best thing that I could do because that has helped me go through my engineering degree full-time and also work full-time and progress relatively quickly within my career. Now, doing this has allowed me to land several promotions at my job, do a job that I actually really enjoy, and it's also enabled me and my partner to get our first house in the 8th most expensive property market in the world. Solely focusing on being a full-time trader or a day trader may be the end goal, but it doesn't have to be the reality at the moment. Increase your odds of being a successful trader by not relying on being a trader. Seek out other opportunities and don't be afraid to prioritize other things when those opportunities come up. That's exactly what I did. Rule number two is understanding what success looks like both in the long term but also in the short term. Now, the odds of winning the Powerball lottery is a 1 in 292 million chance, and I have to speculate, but that is probably the same odds as you growing your $1,000 trading account to $1 million by the end of the year. So why the hell are you on the Lamborghini website specking out an Aventador? I look back at myself and I have to laugh. But I have to say, admittedly, if it wasn't for those trading gurus, then I probably wouldn't get into trading. So for that, I say thank you. However, maturing in trading is understanding the long-term game and sticking true to realistic and short-term goals. No 10x rule. So this is my exact plan on how to become a successful trader. Step number one is developing a trading plan, a method where I'm able to come up with new trading ideas and then put them into a trading strategy with appropriate money management, having it tested in sample and out of sample, of course, and making sure that there is an appropriate sample of trades, having that put into a demo account and forward tested into the future. Step number two is then applying it to a real account and trading very low risk, literally the smallest lot size that you can trade, not even caring about commissions because we're not actually looking to make a profit. We are literally making sure that our trading strategy can execute and we are not getting in the way of our own trading strategy. Now, if I can do that, then I can move on to step three, which is actually putting this into a sizable account where I want to scale my trading account to $50,000. And of course, we have to earn the right to get there. Now, from there, we move on to step number four, which is, of course, adding more strategies and having a portfolio of trading strategies to diversify risk and have different types of trading strategies like trend following and mean reversion to have a hopefully smooth equity curve. So the time frame for all of this, well, it's easily 5 years for anyone that is just starting out, and even then that can be a little bit ambitious. So remember, this is the long-term game and we need to make sure that we're sticking to short-term goals. Actually, never mind, forget the goals. Let's focus on the process, and that is rule number three. So 5 years is a bloody long time for a beginner trader to actually see some reasonable success in trading. So instead of focusing on the goals, which typically the goal is to make money, let's focus on the journey and learning and developing your skills as a trader and as an individual. For time, I've been very disappointed in my trading because I've been very focused on the goal, and that goal is to make money. Watching my account grow or not grow is literally how I measure my success as a trader, which is completely inappropriate for where I'm at in my current stage as a trader. So with my return to trading, I have made it a point to not focus on the goal, which is to make money, but to focus on the goal of learning and to be 1% better each and every day and making sure that I'm learning something new each and every day. Now, just as important, and I kind of mentioned this, don't solely focus on learning how to trade, but focus on yourself and developing yourself as well. So go read a book and stop yourself from procrastinating. That is exactly what I have read, and this is Ali Abdaal's book, and this is actually what triggered me to start my YouTube and trading journey again. Wake up at 5 a.m. and go to the gym. Stick to your schedule and your routine, and that will help you become a more disciplined individual, which will help you be a more disciplined trader. And that brings me to the fourth and final rule, and that is to enjoy the process. Now, if we're not focusing on money and we're focusing on the process, and the process is going to take 5 years to do, well, we better bloody hope that we enjoy it. And that is the reason why anyone would quit, well, anything, even if they are successful at it or not. Just like anyone that would quit their high-paying job because they don't feel fulfilled and they're not enjoying it, the same thing goes for traders. And let me tell you a little secret. Being stuck in what seems to be a never-ending spiral of testing trading strategies that don't work sucks. And losing money continuously sucks times 10. But you have to learn that this, of course, is the process, and therefore we have to learn to enjoy it and manufacture our own enjoyment. So do this instead. Play some music and practice your dancing and singing while you're doing intense work. You never know, but you might find a hidden talent.
You're gonna go.
Break down your trading journey in achievable and bite-sized chunks, which of course we did discuss. Gamify tasks like putting on a timer and racing against the clock to see if you can code up a particular trading strategy. Share your learnings with a trading buddy or friend, write a blog, or start your very own YouTube channel. This will also help you ensure that you're not only learning, but understand your learning, which is extremely important. Of course, you deserve this, but reward yourself when completing a task that you really don't want to do. Change your environment and learn in new places. Listen to a podcast and go for a walk, touch some grass. And finally, but most importantly, please take a break and don't force things. Recharge your batteries. Rome wasn't built in a day.